The following message is requested by the Federal Communications Commission in conjunction with YouTube Corporation. At July 29, all clones are now dead due to their original creators killing them. At this time the Shorts Wars has ended. It is now safe to go to YouTube. We thank you for your cooperation in this event. Now the emergency alert system will only provide alerts on weather, amber alerts, or threats to humanity. However, it is not clear that the boss is dead, as he may release more clones into the following months. So everyone must be vigilant in case this happens again. Once again, we thank you for your cooperation in this event.